This is my extreme bedroom transformation makeover. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Oh my gosh. I did an extreme bedroom transformation makeover and you guys are not gonna believe how different and amazing my room looks. Let's go inside. I have a pretty good idea of what my dream Pinterest bedroom looks like. So that being said, let's get our Bob the Builder on and get started. This is the very beginning, the first step to this extreme room transformation. We're at Lowe's. We're gonna go get some paint, some supplies, possibly look at getting new windows. It's gonna be really fun. Let's go check it out. There are so many different types of white. I like that.
Swiss coffee.
Yeah, that's really nice. We had great success at Lowe's. We looked at the windows, different lighting situations. I've got some things. A circle mirror. I have no idea where I'm gonna put this, but I thought that a frameless round mirror could be cool to add a little bit of spice. And this! I got a ceiling fan. It's pretty spicy. Now that we've got the paint and other supplies, it is time to strip down this room and get to painting. Oh, not the iconic wave. This was crooked too many times in my videos, so. Lift with the legs, not the back. Okay, my room does not look like my room.
Nope.
And the process begins. Tell me why this was behind my dresser. What is going on? Why are there leaves?
Oh, from dead flowers.
Ew.
Roses.
Oh my god, this 2013 like tumbler choker. Stop.
Are you
Oh. Ew. And now we speckle. Bye blind. Oh. Woohoo! We are about to begin painting. We're saying goodbye to this iconic blue room. We've really been through it together. Today we prime. Connor's coming over. He's gonna help. And I do this too, right? And just like that, priming is done. It took, I think, 4-ish hours. Okay, it's a little later. The paint has dried. We are doing a paint color reveal. Everyone, as soon as I said I was like redoing my room, said, oh my gosh, you're gonna paint it green. And trust me, the biggest part of me wants to do that, like just have a sage green wall. The color I'm painting my room is it's kind of like an offish white. But my reasoning behind that is because I have so many fun decorations with crazy color that I think that'll be a fun way to incorporate color. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. I just can't be trusted choosing a crazy color. That's why we got Swiss coffee. Guys, it's pretty much, it's not done. I definitely have to do one more coat tomorrow, but I can just do that myself, so you're off the hook.
Time for a back massage.
Oh my gosh. The height difference, I wish. But it looks really good. I don't know if you can tell on camera. I still need to do another coat because the blue from before still definitely peeks through just a little bit. I'm gonna do another coat tomorrow morning, so we'll finish it up then, and then once that's done, we can get started on the fun stuff, which is getting all the decorations together, rearranging my room. I'm gonna set it up a little bit differently than how I had it before, and I'm so excited. I can finally do the best part that comes along with painting a room. Due to one, laziness, but two, not fully being ready to let go of, you know, all the blue iconic wall-ness stuff. We didn't paint the inside of the closets white, so they're still blue, and I thought it'd be cute to do like a little sky scene. I don't know, it's really nothing elaborate, but I think it's really cute. And we had to keep some of the iconic blue, so she's not dead. And now we're gonna start attempting to position where I want everything to be.
What's your chocolate scissors? Wait, I have stuff on you.
I think it looks kind of great. That is so weird to see it in this corner.
And don't push it too close.
It doesn't even look like my room.
Perfect, okay.
Welcome to my crib. Everything's gonna change. Ugh. Oh my gosh.
Ooh,
Think
what?
it's gonna work?
I love this idea. Oh my
like
gosh,
it.
Baby, you're brilliant.
That was hard to visualize, all of this.
Mm-hmm.
The dresser there, the bed there. That's crazy. That was like the most exciting part of my childhood, was changing my bed from like vertical to horizontal. Felt like a new person. I think I'm gonna keep this. Put the special item right here. Wow. Hello everyone. Despite my shirt saying Lazy Sunday, it is indeed a Thursday. I've seen this in so many people's apartments and on Pinterest, and I found this. A note. Hey yo, first pieces together. Guys, I've done it. I feel like a very superior complex right now, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. I'm so excited to decorate it. I feel like I could do so much with this piece. I might leave it on this wall, or I might put it over here where the dresser is, but there's a lot to decide with that. We'll figure that out later. She is built! And I feel like it matches my room so well. I love that it's open.
What? Oh, you have a camera?
I'm trying to figure out which one would best go with my room, and I think I expected this one to be a little bit more green, so I'm probably gonna go with this beige one. These are all things I previously had that was from my old room, but I have some things that I bought for my new room. These have just been sitting and marinating in my closet for a while now, so I'm so excited to open this. Any guesses? These are bookends, but not just any bookends. Oh my gosh. Oh, look how beautiful. I think I'm gonna make this second shelf a little bookshelf. Put these on the ends. Look how cute they are. They look so good. I will pick out later which books I'm gonna put here. Probably ones that are on my reading list, and maybe a few of the ones that are like extra pretty. I have yet to decide what's gonna go on this bottom one, mostly because it will probably be something I don't use as much since it's on the lowest one and the least accessible. This one I'm still working on. We'll see if I end up keeping this little display like this, but I really like how it looks right now. I've got my great grandma's old camera displayed because I love film and this just means a lot to me. Oh, lovely. Let's see what we have in here. Ooh, coasters! And they've even got the little like feet on them so they don't move on the table. Look at how beautiful this is. That was a really terrible joke. I wish this was vervain. Is vervain real? I don't even know. It looks awesome. I need to vacuum. Guys, I think I just created my new favorite part of my room. This is how it looks right now. So it's not at its peak condition. I kind of have an idea of what I want it to look like. Probably place a few candles maybe, but I'll worry about that when we get there.
I belong to you.
We are in the furniture store today. We're gonna find hopefully a new desk chair, maybe some other things. I don't know, we'll see what we find.
You're the one I trust. And I always be around when I need some love and baby.
Guys, I found my dream furniture. I've done it. It breaks. Whee! What'd you say? Oh, that'd probably be smart. Wow. Everyone, the chair! You know what? Let's do a sit test. Why don't you sit with me? I did a sit test in the store with a few different ones, and this one was so comfortable. It has little like arm resties, whatever it's called. And she spins. I should probably tighten this. It feels like things are really starting to come together with my room, and I feel like this is such a good addition. I spend a lot of time at my desk. My other one was wooden and super uncomfortable, so I'm very excited about this. Speaking of new furniture, as you guys saw, I picked up a new chair today, and the original plan with my lovely dresser right there was that I was gonna do a little DIY project and paint it green. We were at the furniture store, and I saw the most beautiful piece of dresser. It really caught my eye. I wasn't even looking for dressers. I was kind of just walking around the store for fun. I saw this one. It was so beautiful, had so much more room than the one I have now, and it was kind of like a mid-century modern look. All I have in my room, as you guys can see, is white furniture, and I was like, oh, that's the one. That piece is actually back ordered right now. It's coming in April. Hello. So that being said, a lot of other crucial pieces to my room and decorations aren't gonna be here till April. So what I plan to do is do a finished room tour where I'm going to show you it once it's finally done because it's still only 80% done. There's a few things that are really gonna make a difference here, but I didn't want to push off posting this video. So stay tuned for a finished room tour where I'll show you guys where everything's from, link them down below. Stay tuned for that coming up. Look at the little lamp. Oh, cute! I thought it was the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. We're taking a very big step today. We're putting my first thing on the wall because my walls have been empty and plain. I feel like I'm most excited to decorate the walls. I got this little painting, I'll link it down below. It's so cute. This wood frame is gonna match the dresser I'm getting, so that'll be a really nice contrast. Or not contrast.
Complimentary.
Yes. Anyways, I think this is so pretty. She reminds myself of me. She's reading a book. It says, "You are magical." She's surrounded by plants. That was really easy. That was really easy. And that's why you're having to redo it for me. And I'm also re-putting up my vines that I've had for a really long time. They're just really cute. You guys saw I put it on the little ladder because there's like empty space up here. I think it looked nice. And it would look nice with my painting too. Ooh! Ah. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Ow! That hit the saw! Oh! You guys probably remember from my last room, I had that iconic moon that was hanging right over there. And not that I'm over it, I just thought a nice, same but different vibe could be fun. we've got the sun, which just is so fitting.
You need a hammer.
Oh, how?
You have to hold. Yeah, there you go.
Oh my gosh, everyone, the day has come. My beautiful pillows finally came in the mail. Up until this point, my bed has just been naked, and I'm so excited about this because I feel like the bed is a focal point of the room, especially because when you walk in through the door, boom, the bed is right here. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I showed you guys these ones yet, but these are like my statement throw pillows. These ladies here are, oh, bangin' beautiful. I'm trying to figure out how I want to arrange these because I have an even number, so it's not like offset by one in the middle, which maybe it could be. Anyways, this corner of my room is pretty much done. It's looking a lot more complete now that I have some fun pillows on the bed. Oh my gosh, you guys, it feels so good to see the room starting to come together. I think what's left is that spot on the wall right above my desk. I love how that is looking, but that wall needs a little spice, a little sauce. My room is complete. This process has taken over 2 months to do. It's still not done, which is why I'm gonna do a room tour once everything is finished because it's only 80% done. Make sure you guys stay tuned to my vlog channel because that's where I'll be updating you on the things that come, and to my Instagram because I've been posting a ton on there and keeping you guys updated. So with that being said, let's go into my room. And that is my room! I cannot believe this is my new room. This is gonna be where I'm filming. I feel like it's our new room just because we spend so much time in here together and I'm so excited. I'm gonna have links to a ton of the stuff that you guys saw in this video, so make sure you check out the description. But I wanna update you guys about what I still have to do. As you can see, this wall is empty, so there's gonna be stuff going here. I might add something over here and over here. I'm also gonna be changing my bedding to a new color, so that'll add a really nice pop of color into the room. And this dresser we were passing on to a family friend, and I found, like I told you guys, the coolest dresser ever, which I love so much. So that's why the top of my dresser is kind of messy because I don't feel like there's a point in organizing it right now. And once the new dresser comes in, I plan on putting stuff above it. So it's gonna be really, really cute, super aesthetic. This is where I put my makeup drawers, if you guys were wondering where that went, just because I feel like there wasn't room in my room for it. This is our new hub, our new spot. We're gonna be spending a lot of time here, so I hope you guys like it as much as I do. I feel like this room is so me, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. I feel like the whole process, I was kind of just buying things and hoping it would work together, and I feel like everything really did come together super nicely. So make sure you guys subscribe, stay tuned for the room tour. That'll be coming in April once everything gets shipped and comes in. So yeah, I'll see you then. This is a new crib, guys.